This hotel here has natural hot springs flowing naturally from the ground. This is where you take your shoes off and you put on your slippers. Hello. There are two types of bath. There is a public bath, which is open 24 hours, and a private bath. If you wish to use a private bath, please make a reservation using the wooden tag and bring the wooden tag to reception to book. This is where the public baths are. Please collect your complimentary yukata for women only. So this is a local museum. In Japanese-style hotels, all your towels and yukata are located in the closet. So inside your closet you will find yukata. What you can do with these, when you come into the room, you can get changed into yukata. Also you'll find your towels. You have your towel here. You can bring this to the changing room of the public or private bath, but please bring your towel back afterwards. And you can bring your small towel into the private bath itself. So when you return from the bath with your towels, please hang them up on the rail provided, like this. So you can reuse them next time. Here is the public bath. Please enjoy your stay. Let's relax in the private bath. Enjoy a nice beer after your bath.